Hi, this is Dawn. Welcome to Springing Forward with Functions. This is part of my March Microsoft Madness series, and we're going to do functions every Friday. I'm kicking it off with the sum function. That is your most popular. Everybody needs to know how to do this one that uses Excel. Now, you might have added up different numbers by using this technique, just building a math problem right in the cell, where you say this cell plus this cell plus this cell plus this, and then you get a result from that, right? Okay, so that's the long way to do it. Particularly, let's say you have 10 or 20 or whatever, however many columns to add up. That is going to be cumbersome. So let's use the sum function. Now, the functions are all found on the Formulas tab. You've got a function library. If you know what you're shopping around for, you can find it from here. Or you can go to Insert Function and look around in there a little bit and try to find it there. Right now, I'll show you how to type this one right in the cell. So we want to do sum function. I know all formulas and functions start with an equal sign, equal, S-U-M. As I start to type, I see it. And I'm going to simply double-click it in the list when I see it. Now it's asking me to fill in the argument at this point. This is the part that goes in the parentheses. I have to tell it what to add up. I'm going to take my mouse and just click and drag across these cells that I want to include. And when I've got them in there, I'm going to Control-Enter so I stay put on the cell so I can see the result. And up in the formula bar, I can see what the formula is. Result here, formula here. That's awesome. Now I can take this, and if you point on that bottom right corner, that is the autofill. If you double click it, it will flash fill down to the bottom. Let's just do that sum a couple of different ways so you can get a feel for it. I'm also going to click down here, and I'm going to use my AutoSUM, and I'll choose the sum function from there. When I do that, it guesses. It's guessing from the top, and it looks above it first. If it doesn't find anything above it, it'll look to the left. If I've got that, another way to accept it is to click that check mark and drop it in there. And here I will autofill this by dragging over. Notice that what it's done, as I've copied this function over, it has changed relative to its new location. So if I'm on the 5th row, it says equal sum B5 through E5, putting it all together for me. And that's it. That is the sum function.